do you do that? Leave Daddy alone. Leave Daddy alone. No, Amanda's going to get you now. See? Get him, Amanda. Rotty. Aha, see? She bit you. Yeah, she bit you. You can't be attacking Daddy. She gonna get you, see? Good girl, Amanda. Good girl. See, she gonna keep you all straight, buddy. Uh-oh, now she's gonna get you. Lady dominance. Come on, tough guy. Yeah. What happened there? Whoa, she got you, huh? Mm-hmm. What, you gonna get mad now, Rotty? No. Uh-oh, what was that? And we're off and running. There's the neighbor puppy. Man wants to kill.